How to find Roblox user ID on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can find Roblox user ID on mobile. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is find your Roblox app. Make sure that is updated to its latest version. Then you can open the app up. On the app, make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, simply search for the person that you want to find the user ID of. So let's say that this person is the one that I want. So head over to that person's profile by tapping on their account. And after you're there, you can view their profile, swipe down and tap on view full profile. After you tap on view full profile, it should open up. And after you open it up, here you can find its user's information, including user ID. So here, you can simply see their user ID and their username and everything. And that's how you find Roblox user ID on mobile. Thanks for watching. That's basically it for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.